Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Yalem Kuranwe. All right. Beep.
Yes, of course, Everlove TV right here at Anseco. You know, today is going to be one of the greatest games on this very Ewe-land. So, as Ketasco and Anseco are going to play the finals of final soccer, Everlove TV is right here to just cover everything and then bring it to you wherever you are. Never fear me, match to here you can one the grand finale between Anseco and then Ketasco. Everlove TV never fear, but me I can't see uncle Venom. Na kwale kanu sia no ji gala fia agbata klo Everlove TV do me ayafuma na ma kemi we interact with the sports fans so ame yo cover fia agba leko kokpo match away nka onye ho prediction for this game a me agbagba jaga agaroji le agba panka kama. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV because we are here to bring you more and more exclusive video content. Share this video and like the video. Thank you.
Featuring Ketasco Strategy. We are live in the car. You know if you contain we.
Yes, Everlove TV. We've already spoken to Anseco team, the coach and then the captain. We are here with Ketasco. You know, this game has been hyped to the extent that everybody, the euphoria over here is too much. I have the coach with me. Coach, what exactly are you going to do, or what magic are you going to do with your team today to lift up this cup?
For us, we don't do magic.
Before then, give me your name.
Okay, I'm Abraka Daniel, the coach of Ketasco soccer team.
Okay.
But one thing that I want everybody to know is that we don't do magic, we perform.
Okay.
And our team is the best.
So, meaning you guys are going to perform magic today?
No, we don't do magic, we perform on the field.
Okay.
We are not magicians, we are footballers.
Okay.
And that is what we do. We eat football.
Okay.
We drink football. And what we do most is we win.
Okay. Yes. Going back to the whole game, you guys start from somewhere before today. How tough was it before getting to the finals of finals?
We respected every team that we met, but we made them to know that we are the eagle, and it is now or never. Whenever we are around, we are winning. They only think of another winner when Jolali is not around. But the moment Ketasco is around, they should leave it for us. It is ours.
Yeah, speaking to Ketasco captain, they said they are going to emerge the champions of Ewe-land.
Yes.
What do you think about this word?
We have always been the champions of Ewe-land in all walks of life.
But today,
and the Awomefia himself is aware.
The Awomefia is aware that Ketasco always the overall winner of Ewe-land.
Yes.
But let's take that today they are prepared fully and they want to make this thing a history for them. What do you think about that one?
We respect Anseco as a strong opponent that we are going to meet. But we just want Anseco to know that today we are going to be the White Angels. This is what we believe in, and we are going to do it to perfection.
Thank you speaking to Everlove Tay today, and I want you to give me one of the captain, so that I will speak to the captain. As a captain, what motivation are you going to give your colleagues today to win this great match?
I would say we are very prepared, but with God, all things are possible, and I hope for victory and joy in our team. As you see, they are all waiting for the trophy. Not only us, the old students, everybody. And we pray that it happens. Thank you.
You know what? He says, not only them, the old students are waiting for the trophy. But seeing you guys in the car today, I can see you guys are too tiny for me. What I've seen over there, how you see their body. No. Can you fight those bodies today?
We can fight them easily. It's not about having the body, it's about using the brain for them.
It's not about body, it's about brain. Ketasco captain, your name?
Cecil Jones.
Cecil Jones says it's not about the body, it's about the brain. So they are going to use the brain today to defeat Anseco Senior High School today. So follow Everlove TV. Let's go and then watch out for everything going to happen today on the field. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Captain have spoken to us about the body. We are going to use the brain, not the body. What exactly the final words are you going to tell before we go to the pitch?
We want to assure the overlord of the Anglo Kingdom, who is our Mafia, that what Ketasco has always been doing, putting Anglo first when it comes to various kingdoms that we have in this country, we are going to do it again on this land. We also want to assure our headmaster, the old student board, that we are bringing the trophy to them.
The old master, the board, we are bringing the trophy to them. And also a message to the Awo Mafia, the overlord of Ewe-land. You heard him. I'm not going to say anything today. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV and be part of this great family. Like our video, share it with your friend, and then let's be part and let's grow together. Thank you so much.